Alright, here is the video of Epipheny working completely. Right here we have the main MCU. As you can see, it's performing. Right now I have a simulated baby, no driver present, and the temperature is exceeded. The alarm is sounding every 10 seconds. Here's the driver switch to simulate the driver returning. Now that the driver has returned, the alarm is deactivated. Switch keeps falling out. Over here on the top, this is the key fob, running the key fob program with the RX-TX wires crisscrossed between them. There is no Bluetooth module, so we're just going straight cross between the USARTs. Let's remove the baby. Well, maybe not that one. There's so many wires. Yes, this is the baby. Let's not have the temperature exceeded. Okay. Now the temperature is within reason. So right now, it's on the higher count. If you look over here, here's the COM port showing a baby. The timer is counting up. It's going to count up to 30, and then it's going to alarm. At that point in time, I'm going to simulate a switch right here, which is simulating a button press on the key fob. As you can see, the button press on the key fob has deactivated the main unit through the USART. Now it's going to arm immediately because the temperature is exceeded. So, as you can see over here, this is the blinking LED from the key fob. Let's switch that switch again to simulate the button press on the key fob. Now, the alarm is deactivated again. See if we can focus that better. Now here's the button press on the driver's sensor. Key fob or main MCU is deactivated. Red light. It's going to activate now that it's armed. Watch this green LED when it does alarm. The green LED from the key fob is blinking. The alarm is buzzing. Press the key fob again. Now it goes off. And anytime we can remove the baby. And now the system is deactivated because there's no baby. One other thing I programmed in was a low voltage sensor. Well, not really a sensor, but an interrupt. Right here is the low voltage LED. If I toggle this toggle over here, it basically goes from high to low, in which case that LED is activated, saying there's a low voltage. Everything is completely wired up together. Let's get rid of that low voltage so that goes off. One more time, let's introduce the baby back to the seat. As you can see, the green light comes on down here, so you have a baby in the seat. Over here on the COM port, we're counting up. It's going to count up to 30 seconds. Let's say at this point in time the temperature exceeds the max. It's an immediate alarm. Over here we have a blinking light on the key fob. And we'll press the key fob button one last time. Now it's deactivated. It's going to count to 10 seconds again because there's still a baby. Temperature is exceeded. Now the temperature is no longer exceeded, but there's still a baby. So it's going to count up to 30 once again. Over here. And that is the entire system. One more time for good luck. We'll deactivate it for the last time with the driver sensor. Now it's deactivated.